cutting straight through it. Discipline under heavy pressure. Just surviving another hard week alive. Raise the pressure, raise the sound. Feel the warehouse shaking harder. Push forward, stay focused. Turn the struggle into movement. Too much pressure before sunrise. Late bills, no silence. Too many thoughts moving non-stop. Still get up though, still walk back into the fight. That's real strength, not fake. Speeches online, not empty words for attention. Just surviving another hard week alive. Raise the pressure, raise the sound. Feel the warehouse shaking harder. Push forward, stay focused. Turn the struggle into movement. Smoke in the air, bass through the chest. One heartbeat under red lights. Acid tearing through the system. Like fear finally losing control. No easy future waiting outside. Still we keep moving anyway. Concrete floors shaking non-stop. Energy rising wall to wall. Head up high, don't stop now. Don't stop now. Full warehouse pressure, industrial chaos everywhere. Kick drums crashing through the smoke. Red lights flashing non-stop. No fake hope, no fantasy endings. Just real people, still standing, still breathing, still alive. looks unstable tonight. Like the city is collapsing silently. Across flooded streets, broken antennas blinking through black clouds, static air covering the skyline. Every signal sounds corrupted tonight, like voices trapped inside transmission loops. Subway tunnels breathing underneath concrete, mechanical pressure through hollow districts. Distorted vision, fading signals, pressure crawling through the atmosphere. Kick drums smashing through underground chamber, smoke spiraling beneath red emergency strobes. Bodies moving like shadow machinery, lost inside endless repetition. Acid frequencies tearing through darkness like electrical fractures inside steel veins. Nobody searching for meaning tonight, only movement, only tension, only bassline shaking the floor. Distorted skies, distorted skies, black static, black static. Cold train lights disappearing through fog, empty windows reflecting sleepless faces. Every street feels emotionally detached, like the city forgot its own pulse. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric pressure beneath pale skin. Even silence feels artificial now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. Pulse increasing, signal collapsing, no escape inside the transmission. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors, bass pressure shaking steel foundations, dark silhouettes under red lighting. from them visible. Keeps moving through the system like a ghost, trapped inside the circuitry. Flooded alleyways, neon reflections trembling across wet concrete. Subway pressure beneath silent districts, static fog drifting through dead intersections. Every signal feels unstable tonight, like corrupted dead inside the skyline. Street cameras blinking through heavy smoke, mechanical shadows across empty buildings. Voltage rising, signal distortion. Pressure spreading through the circuitry. Kick drums smashing through underground chambers. Smoke spiraling beneath red warning strobes. Bodies moving like shadow machinery, lost inside industrial repetition. Acid frequencies ripping through darkness, like electrical burns across steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only basslines shaking the floor. Train lights fading into tunnels, empty reflections behind scratched glass. Every face feels emotion disconnected, like humanity disappeared into static. Electric pressure underneath tired eyes, signal interference beneath pale skin. Even breathing sounds synthetic now, mechanical, restless, disconnected. Unstable, signal collapsing, no silence inside the circuitry. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors, bass pressure shaking steel foundations. Dark silhouettes beneath red lighting, moving through industrial fog. Acid distortion tearing through the system, like fear transformed into sound waves. Everything feels darker tonight. Cold lights, cold air, cold circuit. Circuitry keeps running. Somewhere beneath the static.